sexually transmitted diseases are not very fond to have. Last week, we learned that the District of Columbia and Alaska had the highest number of chlamydia cases in the United States by 2014. This week, we will take a look at the number of gonorrhea cases in the United States. Gonorrhea is caused by a bacteria that can infect the genital tract, anus, or mouth. To treat this illness, you should get some antibiotics. Here, once again, DC has the highest number of cases. Luckily, the numbers are much lower at the end of the video compared to the beginning.